Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good, and today I'm here to explain you about Gadget Electronics Store reviews. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And people from United States are curious to know about the genuineness of this particular website. So guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this particular website, and it is the online store that comes with multiple electronics items including laptops, tablets, mobile phones, cameras, video games, drones, graphic cards, televisions, home theater, etc. So this site comes with multiple options including products. And talking about the payment information, so let's check out the payment info by visiting the payment method section. So here they have provided the payment option in the menu option button, guys, and here they have provided the payment information that they accept Western Union money transfer, MoneyGram transfer, and bank transfer for huge amount. Apart from that, they have mentioned that money has to be confirmed and cleared before shipping commence. So guys, this is the payment information. You can read the entire page for your knowledge and convenience. Coming to the delivery information, you need to check out the delivery information page to get to know about the shipping information. So this is the shipping policy page, guys. So they have not provided the exact shipping duration, but yes, they have mentioned that they ship out to your doorstep within 48 hours. So they have also updated a video on YouTube. You can check out the video for your knowledge and convenience. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, the site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. But talking about the domain information of this particular website, it was created on 29th of August 2019. So guys, this is a positive sign because it defines that the site is an old website, which is a positive point. But we can't claim this site legit on the basis of its domain age only. So let's discuss the about us information, or let's check out the detailed about us information. So this is the about us page, and here they have mentioned the offering information, which is a positive sign. And but guys, they have not provided the business establishment year, business owner name information, which is a negative sign. Apart from that, they have provided the customer care information, head office information, or contact us information in this page as well. So this is a positive sign. Coming to the contact details, you can check out the contact details by visiting the contact us page given in the customer service option. So they have provided the official address, WhatsApp chat number, email address, telephone number, opening times, which is a positive sign. Apart from that, they have also mentioned the contact form. You can connect with them via query form as well. So this is a positive sign. And coming to the social media presence point, guys, the site has no social media presence at all, which is one of the biggest red high alerts of this particular website. And talking about the return policy, you need to check out the returns page given in the customer service menu option button. So let's check out the return policy. So guys, they have not provided the exact return duration here, but yes, they have provided a form, that is they have mentioned that please complete the form below to request an RMA number. So you need to complete this entire form. So this is a negative sign that they have not provided the entire return policy and written over here. So anyways, let's check out the other information including but guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. And coming to the Gadget Electronics Store reviews, they have provided customer reviews on the official website, and you will find the entire positive reviews in customer reviews section. So this is a positive sign, but guys, all reviews are 5-star rating. And apart from that, we have also found one positive comment on one of the popular review sites including Scam Advisor. So that customer said that they are real and legitimate, but we are not able to find the exact verified ID of those of that particular customer. So guys, this is a negative sign. And apart from that, as this site is an old website, the site should be a more customer reviews so that we can trust on this website easily. But yes, there are lack of customer reviews, which is a negative point. Apart from that, we have also found some discussions on one of the popular review site, which is Reddit. So most of the customers are not recommending this website, and they have said that never send a wire transfer for an online transaction, you got scammed. One of the customers said, you got scammed bro, sorry for the loss, and etc etc. So yes, in the final conclusion, we would say we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website, because it's totally up to you. You need to research more, you need to explore the entire information before making any online purchase, guys. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. So guys, do comment about your thoughts regarding this video, and we highly recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order, because the trust index score of the site is 50%. So the site seems to be not much popular online, and it comes with low Alexa rank or low traffic as well. So there are so many loopholes as well. So it's totally up to you guys. Make a wise decision. For money related problem, as I have told you, you need to check out the description area. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.